collective haul for you, a plus size collective haul. Let's be very clear. I'm a plus size woman. We are going to focus on the curvy girls. Most of the time I have, but being curvy. No, I'm just kidding. But seriously, doing a plus size haul. I have been shopping the past couple weeks and I got quite a few things from a lot of different places. I got Nordstrom. Without further ado, here we go. Alright, I guess I will start off with, let's see, Nordstrom's right here. It's the easy one. That's just one item that I picked up from the regular potatoes. I have been wanting some Adidas for a minute. Not that they're out of the budget range or anything like that. I just never buy sneakers because I never really wear them. But a couple months ago, last couple months, we had picked up some for my stepdaughter, and she is so cute. She was wearing them with her dresses, and I was like, oh, she looks adorable. I gotta get me some. Of course, she had like the little girly pink joints, but I just wanted some classics, and just classics, superstars. So yeah, I just wanted to pick these up because they're just kind of like comfy, casual, go-to shoe. Can go with like joggers. You got shorts, skirts, long skirts. I'm really thinking it's gonna be dope with a long skirt and like t-shirt vibes, or long men's t-shirts, shorts under it, almost like you're wearing like a sloppy dress. Next from Target, my favorite go-to for everything. You know, you go in Target, you can't buy just one thing. You picking up the world when you go in Target. They know what they're doing. Selective marketing. They're not with that. They with the collective marketing. They market to everything, girl. They got you looking at the home stuff, the patio furniture, the pillows, the blankets, the toothbrushes. So, yeah, Target. So I thought this was super cute. Let's see if you can see it. Crop top. It's a coordinate set. So super cute. Senorita Margarita. Crop top. And this darling little skirt. See that? And it's high-low. And I got like quite a few ideas on how to style this. But right here, I'm just pairing it with a pair of sandals that I have. And actually this purse that my dad bought me from Christmas. Shout out to Pops. That I probably, well, I thought I would never wear, but I'm gonna wear it with this because it's like this rust. Let me show you the details on it. Rust, brownish. I'm going to a picnic vibe, and I feel like this outfit is like totally me and my husband going to the park and kicking it. You know, maybe grabbing us some ice cream on the way. Or now, next up, I'm going to do the rest of the quick one item finds, or just like a couple item finds that I picked up. But these babies, bowling on a budget. Look at that. Everybody thinks I'm crazy, and how the hell am I gonna wear these? But these, honey, are Levi's. Not only are they Levi's, they're the 721s, high rise, white with like, look at this fringe, and it's giving me life. And I feel like when we go to the Jay-Z and Beyonce concert, you're gonna see me with this on, right? Look at these. I'm getting like Tina Turner, Beyonce. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be some booty poppage. Booty poppage. Yeah, some booty poppage going on in this. And these happen to be super cheap. They got a price tag on here, like 25 bucks. However, there was a coupon going on, and I think I paid like $13 for these. And although my god sister is laughing at me about them, I think they're cute. And they come up perfectly. Look how they fit. Let me show you the rest of the outfit. This is actually from Ross, and anybody who really knows me, like my friends, my family, my mother, I probably drove her crazy listening to Jay-Z back in the day, knows that I am like the biggest Sean Carter fan. Sean Carter from the Marcy Project. And I found this at Ross, girl. Ross. Look at this, boo. That is Sean Carter when he was a very young young toad, very young toad, with the one and only Notorious B.I.G. Baby. Yes, but this, I don't know how I wasn't even looking for clothes. I just happened to like push through the rack, and that kind of happens a lot at Ross. You push through the rack and then like something pops out like, oh snap, look at that, babe, it's Jay-Z. I'm buying it. So yeah, I'm pairing it with the pants that, this is like my whole Beyonce Jay-Z outfit for September until I find something else. I'll probably change it like 16 times. But I think this is like perfect for the concert. I'm more than likely gonna crop it. So you probably won't even see the Brooklyn's Finest part. It'll probably just like sit like under my boobs. Like that. Crop it, maybe off the shoulder, but I might just leave it like this, crop it with the white jeans. And then this is another one. This is actually, since we went, I got this like probably like 2 weeks ago. Maybe 3, but they laughed at me for this jacket. They laughed at me. But I think it's the best little cheapy blazer, jean jacket, summertime, work time, playtime, put it together thing in the world. I am always for the balling on a budget. Back when I had my blog, I had a series with balling on a budget. I would break down outfits like top to bottom, under $100. Serious about it, talking about shoes, lipstick, shirts, socks, whatever went with the outfit, balling on a budget. Thinking about creating like, maybe like a style haul, balling on a budget. Cause in between me thrifting, shopping, why am I still holding this hanger? Shopping, I always can put together what I consider a really stylish outfit for myself for under $100, like top to bottom, all the way down to the toes. But look at this pattern on this blazer. Do you see this? It's so crazy. Yeah, they laughed about it. They're like, are you seriously gonna get that? I'm like, yes. I could put this on with some slacks, honey, and a white button up, and some red lips. I could put this on with some shorts and a tank top. You put that photo crop in here. Yes, that is outfit right there. Throw on some wedges, might throw on a sneaker. It just depends on the mood. I might throw on a pop of color with some sandals. But yeah, I think this jacket is definitely a look. Like, look at it. Spit it over the shoulders, baby. Give me a little zhuzh. No, but seriously. And it fits super cute. Very stretchy. Hey, don't underestimate Burlington. They be coming through. This is another item that, like, look at it. It's cute. It's so, like, chic. It's got the vertical stripes. Perfect when you got a little wide tummy, because I know I prefer vertical stripes over horizontal. They just make me look too wide. TJ Maxx. This is on. I love the vertical stripe with the horizontal pocket. I think that's like dope. I think it's chic. This is another thing. I could like put a blazer on it, wear it to work with some slacks, take the blazer off. I could cinch it with a belt because it's fairly long. Like, I know for sure it covered my butt in the back. But yeah, it's fairly long. Put a pop of color on, maybe hot pink lipstick, statement necklace, perfect for work. Then I could pair it with like a wide leg pants, like a statement popping color, like these mustard ones that I got coming up in my haul in a second. But yeah, I like a lot because it's just comfortable and it's cute and it's cute and it's comfortable. All right, next up, D-Rack, honey. Nordstrom's cool sometimes. I don't really have much in there that's like in my balling on a budget life. So I found 2 things at Nordstrom's Rack that were just like, they fit so cute. Maybe not together. I don't know. Maybe I will pair them together. But this little, look at this joint. Girl, bye. Shoulders. Hit them with the shoulders. Hit them with the shoulders. Shoulders are sex appeal in the summer, boo. Look at the long sleeve. Oh my God, nice and like light, hella light. Arch. This is so comfortable. It like fits my chest and it doesn't look like it's struggling. It's not a struggle. It just looks comfy and cute and like sassy. I can see this like our little summertime heat date nights. Date night. Or you know what? Brunch with the girls. Brunch with the girls would be cute. And I could pair it with a flat, or I have these mules that are comfortable. And the last one from Nordstrom's Rack, baby. Oh my God, this don't do no justice. This don't do no justice. Oh, I guess I could pair that with something. I'm thinking maybe this skirt, but maybe not. This skirt is super cute. Now this is a situation where sometimes you gotta look at things and know that size does not matter, because I wear about a 16. This skirt, oh, look at that, it's so cute, it's wrinkled. But look, it has a split in the inside of the jean skirt. And then this like little faux wraparound. But this skirt, I looked at it on the hanger, I'm like, I don't know, I think I could get it. Can you get it? I think she could get it. So I went and tried it on the fitting room because I saw this, baby. Elastic. And I put the waist part, or the hip part up against my hips. I was like, okay, that looks like it'll go. This looks like it'll work. And it did. It is a little snug. But we just gonna hope it don't split when we go out on our little ladies' day or brunch or whatever, or family trip, go back home. But this is so like old lady cute. I don't go. Had to think about it. Get it together, get your words together, boo. All right. It's gonna give you sassy chic with the split, a little bit of sexy, and then the little wrap is gonna cover it up. It's like a little modesty. Yes, I love it. I'm really digging it. Not only that, but the little wrap detail is kind of loose, so it's gonna cover that little gut put a little bit. So yeah, this could be paired with my Adidas, boom, and just like a cute v-neck from Target or wherever you get your v-necks from. Just a cute regular v-neck tee for a woman. And honey, girl, bye. Girl, bye. I'm gonna be cute. You can pair it with heels, wedges, whatever you got to go. All right, so yeah, Nordstrom's Rack. And last but not least, the one with the most, and I'm always at this store. So let's just start. I'm gonna start with the clearance. This is another thing, like, maybe you don't get my drift, but I get my drift. So here is like this beautiful glittery, and I know it's from the winter because it looks like winter because it's got long sleeves, but look, it got a little give it to them, little shoulders, but it's sheer though. So with a black bra and some black shorts, I'm thinking I could do summer with this. Summer night out. Yes, look at that. Summer nights. Some gold accessory. Very, very smoky eyed. Like this is like summertime in the club. Loving this one. And then the look to go with it, yeah, paired it with the shorts. Very nice. Maybe the thigh high boot too. I don't know. It might be much, but I'll try it. Okay. Oh. And this is clearance. This is from the winter. $7. $7 holla. Next up is this. I got one of these already from Forever 21, but it doesn't have the button down detail. So this is like a long maxi shirt with the splits on the side. Perfect for like a jean skirt underneath it. Tank top, very light, summertime. And it's got the waist belt. I think the waist belt just fell out. But it's got the waist belt. But I'm thinking with my Adidas, my skirt on, just maybe one buttoned in the middle, and like tank top. Just cooling vibes. Some nice accessories. This is going to be super cute. Super, super cute. And it has a pocket on it. It was $29.90, which I was kind of debating about this because I could have got 2 for 1, Forever 21, and it ain't even thick. It's thin, but it is cute though. So I'm gonna wear it, and I'm gonna keep it. Keeping all this stuff, by the way. $40, honey. $40. I remember $40. It might have been $39.98. I don't know, but it was $40. But these are like some pretty high-waisted jeans paired, I mean, not jeans, I'm sorry, pants. I don't own a lot of pants. You know, with a side tie right here. And a little bow. Yeah, these were $39.80. These are from Forever 21, but it was in LA, and it's a brand called ETA. And I got these in a 1X because the 2X was too big on the waist. But yeah, with like a jean shirt or even that striped shirt that I previously recorded about. Some nice heels. It don't even matter if you wear heels because they're so long. We got one more thing in the Forever 21 bag after those $39.90 pants. Lord, they tripping. But it is like, I guess, like a designer inside, a different designer inside Forever 21. So I guess they had to rack up the price. But yeah, this is it. This is the last of the Mohicans. And this was just so cute to me. It's giving me like Little House on the Prairie. Hot mama. Put this on with some jean shorts and go. Jean shorts, a nice cream shoe. Accessorize. This is like brunch again. Brunch vibes in the summertime. Just a nude bra or a bralette. I had it on with my bra and I thought it was cute. But if you want to make it appropriate for work, you know, you could throw a tank top under there. Make it appropriate for church that way too.
Funny.
Hi, Mariah. You want to say hi?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, say hi, people.
Hi.
That's my niece in her PJs. Okay, yeah. So, in this top, I got in a 2X. The 1X was a little snug. I didn't even try the 2X on yet, to be honest. But I got in a 2X because the 1X, I felt like I got boobage. And sometimes my boobs look like they suffocating in tops. And I was feeling suffocated. But yeah, it has a little pussy bow. Is that what they call it? Pussy bow. And it was only $19.90. But with some shorts like this. And then I got these little sandals. I did not mention these sandals. Let me show you the sandals in this outfit. But they're like a mustard yellow and they're real suede. Topshop sandals. Got them in a 10.5. They were only $19, honey. From $40 on Nordstrom's website. So yeah, I got those from Nordstrom's. That's cute with these, with the shorts. You can also add like a cute jeans. I could put this on with that jeans skirt with the wrap. You know what I mean? Change it up a little bit. The opportunities for this is like endless. Like I feel like I could wear it to work. I could wear it with some jeans. I could throw this on and just go. It's so cute. So cute. And then look at the back detail. It's got a hole in the summertime, boo. Show them. Give them bra. Give them belly. Serve it up. Hot. All right, people, that's it. That wraps up my haul for this week. All over the place. That's how I normally shop anyway. I get stuff as I go and I make it work. If you guys want to see more hauls like this, which I love shopping, so they work for me. I'll probably do them regardless if you want to see them or not. But yeah, I love hauls. I love to watch hauls. I love to buy clothes. I love to thrift. So look out for more hauls to come. Look out for thrifting to come. And then hair videos, DIY hair videos. I'm trying to tell you, sometimes we can't go to the shop. Sometimes the shop don't be in the budget, honey. Sometimes the hair don't be in the budget either. So we gotta make it do and still do and do what it do and look cute. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Peace and blessings.